Alright, so one of the first things that you need to do before you even approach the dock is make sure that your ropes are tied right. So just tie a loop in your docking ropes like this. You want a decent sized loop. Make sure it goes around your cleat, because sometimes the cleats on the docks can be bigger. But anyway, on my boat you got pull up clip and cleats. So just pull them up. So right now it's L in dock, so just pull it tight. Push it through the cleat and then around, like that right there, and pull it tight. And then if you need to take up any slack, you just loop it around like so. Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick little how-to boat docking video. I know sometimes that can be challenging for people that's not done it a ton. I'll give you a couple of tips and tricks that I picked up just over doing it. So here we go. Alright, so one thing I always do, especially if I'm coming in by myself, I'll go ahead and get the bumpers and the ropes out before I get there. So this is going to be my back rope. Go ahead and stick it on. Go ahead and tie this bumper on. I know I'm going to be docking on this side. Shorten it up a little bit. And then the dock I'm going into already has a front rope, so we don't need to do that one. And then we'll just kind of ease into it slowly. Okay guys, so we're coming up here to the dock. The dock is on our right hand side. So Ben's, we got everything on the left. Once we get down here, we'll do a little turn. Be able to come into it. So I will show you how to make a turn in a tight canal like this. Alright, so we're coming up here to the dock. One tip that I've always kind of learned is steer before you gear. That's when you get your most thrust in a tight turn like this. So go ahead and turn the motor all the way and then put it in reverse, because if not, you kind of lose some of your momentum. So then we'll turn it back the other way. Probably do that one more time. Got a little bit of wind in here today to make it a little bit more difficult, but come in nice and slow, so if you do mess up, it's not as big of a deal if you're going slow. Let's hit reverse. Kind of pull the back of the boat around and grab the dock. Good thing we went ahead and had the bumper on. I've got the back rope. Pretty much tie your ropes off, and there you got it.